Hello everyone, I'm Mehra, Senior Business Development Manager, Niagara College, Toronto. Niagara College, Toronto is a public institute and we are in Toronto downtown location. Niagara College, Toronto is a very popular institute if I talk about the GTA region. And for those students who are looking for to get an admission with Niagara College, Toronto for our upcoming take, which is January 24, you can reach out to Canam Consultant and you can meet me in person in their very exclusive education fairs, which will start from 5th of April till 20th of April in respective cities. Just go to Canam Consultant Education Fairs and ask for table number 34 for Niagara College Toronto and register yourself. If you want to know more about the college, if you want to know more about the fee structures, eligibility criteria, and check your eligibility, you can directly reach out to me and meet me in these education fairs. So stay tuned, hope for the best, and looking forward to meet you individually. Thank you so much.